So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to bold text in a video here on InShot. So once InShot is opened up, which I have right now, go to this bottom bar right here, press on text again, and how about I just type in the word bold as an example. So there's my example right there. Now if you want to bold text, first and foremost what I will do is I will get rid of the glow so it's a little bit easier to see just like that. So if you want to bold text right here, the fourth option, press on the three vertical lines or three horizontal lines like that. At the bottom where it says B, for me right now it's not bolded. If I were to go ahead and press B, it'll actually bold. So it's a little bit harder to see. So if I zoom it in a little bit more, this is bolded, not bolded, bolded, not bolded. If I were to go ahead and maybe change the color right here, perhaps it'd be easier to see. If I were to go ahead and bold it, unbold, bold, unbold, bold, and if that looks good to you, you guys can go ahead and play it and see your bolded text that you added. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can bold text in a video on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.